Located near the center of Abacoa is the subdivision of Cambridge. The community consists of 209 residences with 77 single-family homes and 132 townhomes. Residents of Cambridge have a community clubhouse which is available to rent for parties and other uses. There's also a large pool with restroom facilities, as well as a playground area for children. The natural preserves within Cambridge offer beautiful surroundings with walking trails.
We watch Abacoa come out of the ground and grow and mature into the fantastic community that it is today.
We'd love to show you around.